Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we're going to talk to you a bit about how to stay hydrated. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. This is our hoop house and we're growing over 100 tomato plants in here. And even though we have shade cloth on the roof, it is in the mid-90s today and it is quite warm out. So staying hydrated is really important. We've got 3 products that we'd like to show you today, and these are products that help us stay hydrated. So this is the first one, and this was given to us as a gift by our ADT security sales rep because we've been buying a lot of security systems. And this is what it is. So there's their ADT logo. But this is called the H2go Force, and it's a stainless steel water bottle. And what's so cool about it is that it's got a copper lining and it can keep your liquids refrigerated basically the whole day. And I couldn't believe it because the other day I had this in my car and it had just been baking in the sun. I mean, the inside of my car, it was just like an oven. And so I thought, oh, well, there's no way this water is cool. But when I opened it up, sure enough, it was as cool as it was when I put it in there. So anyway, this little water bottle is awesome for keeping liquids cool throughout the day. And we're Amazon affiliates. I'm gonna look for this on Amazon and I'll put a link to it in the description below. But it's absolutely awesome in the middle of a really hot day to enjoy some nice cool water. You know, it says it'll keep liquids hot for 12 hours and liquids cold for 24 hours. So pretty impressive thermal bottle. Another way we stay hydrated is we get these 5-gallon jugs of water. You can get these at home improvement stores like Lowe's and Home Depot. Anyway, this one's got a little bit of a sense of humor. It says, may cause large biceps, which I think is kind of funny because when they're full, they are quite heavy. But anyway, the device that we wanted to show you is right here. My son James purchased it, and it's an item that you can also get on Amazon. We'll put our affiliate link in the description below. But anyway, this is what's so cool about it. This is it's a 5-gallon jug water dispenser. So we'll use our same water bottle from before. And all you got to do is press the top of this. And it's so cool. Like, it just dispenses the water. So it's really awesome. What's really cool is that you can charge it with the little charger that you use for your phone right there. And that will give it its power. And then you just press this button. And out comes the water. And you turn it off just by hitting that button. And this thing is great. It's certainly better than trying to lift a 5-gallon jug and pour that into your thermos or your water bottle, whatever you have. A third product that we use to stay hydrated is Gatorade. And we don't know exactly what's in their secret formula, but we do know that it contains carbohydrates and electrolytes, and they are able to use that formula. And the result is that Gatorade is more effective at keeping you hydrated than water is. So the next time you're going to work in the hot sun, be sure to bring Gatorade with you so that you can definitely stay hydrated. Now, working out at our farm and doing construction projects, we're out in the sun a lot. And so we do everything we can to protect our skin from the sun, like by wearing a hat. On a hot day like this, I'll wear a bandana underneath my hat, and that keeps the sun off the back of my neck. And in addition, we use the sunscreen, and the sunscreen is very important, especially if you're going to be out all day in the sun. You know, I see people on construction crews and road crews every day when I go to and from work. They're getting totally cooked by the sun, and they must think, oh, you know, it won't be any big deal. But over time, the sun's exposure can cause skin cancer, and skin cancer can then attack the internal organs. So it's very important to wear hats and bandanas, and to use sunscreen if you're going to be working outside in the hot sun. All right, well, if you got anything out of this video, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel quite a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.